my first job for the day. I'm going to be doing the carpets, 6 areas. You know, pretty heavily traveled areas here in the living room. Of course, it's going to look better, but you see how worn that fiber is. You can kind of tell how worn the fiber is by how long the fibers are. If you get new fibers, they're going to be shorter, right? Standing straight up. And as you notice down here, these are matted and laying down. Okay, they tend to look longer too, but actually just laying down flat, and that's gonna because this is polyester carpet, it's gonna cause these shadowing effects here when I'm done. And it's not the dirt that's left over, it is the fiber. And the way that works is light reflects off of everything differently. All right, so the light reflecting off a brand new fiber is going to look different than a fiber that's been worn and it's old. The fiber breaks apart, you know, when it's old. So the light is reflecting off of it, broken apart, and causing shadows in there, right? Just like a shadow, okay? So it's creating more shadow, which makes it look darker. So when I'm done here, it's guaranteed there's going to be a dark space right here. And I will definitely let the customer know. And I usually let them know, but beforehand, but she's not here, so I'll let her know when I'm done. And we got the stairs. Stairs are pretty solid. I just did a vacuum on them, working on my way up here. I'm going to finish vacuuming up here. Hallway's not that bad, but there's, you know, again, that wear. So this isn't too bad. It's gonna look good. Pretty sure she probably might want one in here too. I usually do small closets for free, no extra charge. So no pet stains, no specialty stain removal stuff, just straight cleaning. I will be using carpet details today. I will be going around all the large furniture. I'll also tell the customers to remove all large or valuable and small stuff. Whatever carpet's showing is where I'll clean. But I don't move large or valuable stuff. I don't think one time I've ever been questioned on that. So, all right, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna actually finish vacuuming. So I really love this vacuum right here. It's so fun. I never thought I'd be so excited about a vacuum. Really? A vacuum? I'm going to pay that much money for a vacuum? But I'm glad I did. Once you learn a little bit about vacuums, you realize that paying a little bit extra and doing a little research really pays off. I got 15 inches there, and which means I can cover more area. The okay, I thought it was out of. The cord is 50 foot long. You can usually just plug it in one part of the house and vacuum the whole house. And I actually thought I was out, and definitely not. The roller stops moving when you have this up, or when you pull this out to do wand work. And yeah, love it. Anyway, so I on all my videos now I'm putting links. I got a link of all the tools, most of the tools I use, not all of them. I'll be updating them constantly. So what you do is you hit the link, and then it'll take you to a website or a web page, and then you can look through all the products, and if you're interested in one, you click on that link, and it'll take you either to Amazon or a website that don't have an Amazon deal, and you'll be able to purchase it from them directly or through Amazon. Up to you. But because I get a lot of questions on different products and where can I get it and this and that, and I'm making it easy. Plus, with Amazon, by sharing a link, it doesn't cost you any more money, but they actually give me a couple cents. But definitely not enough to make a living off of. But again, that's not my main purpose, but hey, might as well make a little extra if I can. But you can guarantee me I'm not just throwing products on that page to sell things, anything. Only things that I use and I love. Matter of fact, the page is called Tools I Use and Love. So anything on there I stand behind and I recommend. Even if I'm still not using it. When I got started, I did use it, and maybe for the price I went with that for a while. So you can find this one on there too, so this vacuum. Alright, I want to keep that, get this done. Alright, stay tuned. shadow there, but it looks great. Other than that, that's the only part of this whole carpet that didn't have almost perfect results. So yeah, pretty happy about it. Alright guys, so I'm going to call this video a lot of talk and a lot of action. Not all talk, no action. A lot of talk, a lot of action. So some people wanted to see me clean the stairs. That's how I clean the stairs. I don't use a little hand tool. It just, to me, takes too long. Easier on your back, but I just like to rip through these things. So a lot of pre-agitation and the chemistry does the majority of the work for me. So, all right, please like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next video.